What's up, people? It's us again. It's me, and it's her. And a while back we did a breakfast pizza, and that went better than expected. So today we're gonna make a dessert pizza and see how that goes. Okay, so we've got our crust. We're using chocolate pudding as our sauce. Probably gonna have quite a bit left over.
Told you it would plop.
We don't have to talk about plopping. This is a family-friendly video. No talk of plopping or any other P words. So anyway, we're gonna get that on there. I used to work at a pizza restaurant. I'll not, use any specific name drops. But it wasn't Little Caesars or Domino's or what's the other ones? Brick Oven or Bretto's. It wasn't those. But anyway, used to make a dessert pizza there. So that's kind of where I'm getting my inspiration. Alright, so then we take it. We've got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. Put it on the rack. And, I don't know, we'll just kind of wing it. Set it for, start with 7 minutes and then just kind of check it every couple of minutes. Okay, so it ended up being about 10 minutes that you want to make it for. Very hot.
It smells really good.
Okay. Alright, so
Dramatic much.
we're gonna let it cool just a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna add a layer of Cool Whip. Go ahead and slap that on there. Right here. You want that on here. There you go. Okay, so now we're gonna put a layer of some sort of cereal on here. We've chosen Cocoa Pebbles, but you want more on the outside than the inside. So put the rest of it on the outside.
I am!
Not so much here, but over here. Now we're gonna add chocolate syrup as our finishing touch. There you go. Just kind of drizzle it however you want. Get real artistic. Just get in there and just Picasso it up. Maybe be sure and get it on the pizza though, less so much on the towel here.
There.
Maybe not on the table with all of this here. That's not what we want it here.
There.
Now we're gonna take it,
It's ripping.
put it in the fridge to cool. Okay, for about an hour in the fridge, kind of toughen it back up a little bit so it's not just a sloppy mess. All right, time for the taste tester.
Yeah.
Is it the most amazing thing you've ever had in your life? Can you see spots? But anyway, that's gonna do it. We did the thing. Thanks for watching this. Super appreciate you. Check out my other stuff if you want to, and if you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Come back and check me out next time, and until then, we will catch you later.